Frigo Bonsai Company LLC was founded in 1990 by Mr. Ante Parmać and Mr. Niko Uydur. Over the years, the company has developed into a significant purchaser and distributor of fruits and vegetables. With about 20 employees, apart from the domestic market, it has been operating in the European and South American markets. In the town of Opazan, the company owns about 4,000 square meters of refrigeration, storage, and handling facilities for bananas ripening and purchase of other fruits and vegetables. The major business is based on products like tangerines and bananas. In the year of 2012, around 2,500,000 kilos of tangerines was purchased. Purchase, packaging, and labeling the tangerines of our subcontractors meets the norms and standards of the most demanding markets. In its business, Frigo Bonsai has always followed the latest technologies to keep the tangerine's best quality on the way to the customer. Out of the purchased amount, approximately 70% has been exported to foreign markets, and on the domestic market, the rest was placed in the wholesale and retail chains. Over the past years of successful work, the company has gained a position among the leading importers of bananas. "20 years of its tradition means mutual success of both Frigo Bonsai and our loyal subcontractors, employees, and associates."